So we are, as I already said, we are introducing automotive technology on this platform, which per se is already safety certified from the hardware perspective and the low-level software parts already. This brings the functional safety capabilities of this device into the next level of functionality. In addition, it adds by far more performance in the same form factor, which allows us to combine more data fusion functionalities into one board, and even more or less independent functionality into one board. Centralization is a subject which is very interesting for machine builders. Centralization of functionality in lesser components, in lesser electronic components. The reason is obvious. You mentioned the availability subject. Fewer components are less likely to fail than more components. A very, very easy equation you can make. Availability is key. Quality is not an option in general in our domain, which means if there is a failure, we have to somehow survive.
Well, it isn't optional. So it's always the highest quality, right?
It's not an option. So we cannot debate whether we need more or less quality. We need quality, period. So if there is a failure, and always things can break, it can be a broken cable, can be a broken sensor, we have to make sure that the machine still enters safe state, if possible. But there are use cases where we cannot define a safe state. We mentioned the drone applications, for instance. If a drone stops flying, it just falls from the sky. This we cannot accept, so we need we need redundancy on that level. And when we now touch the full autonomous use case, high availability is key. On the road, it's even more, in automotive applications, even more crucial, because you have a fast-moving vehicle. You have to operate this safely to a standstill. In machinery, this is a little bit relaxed because we don't have these big speeds. However, from the performance of the process, it's important to make sure that we are available. And to answer your question, I would say yes, there is the potential to combine more of such edge computers in one machine. Then we have to solve the distribution of a consistent information problem. We have to solve the problems of computational chains to make sure that we can reach the hard real-time requirements in the process. And that's what we can. We have all the technologies, not only within TTControl, of course, within TT Tech. It's the core competence we do have.
Super.